Hey guys, Vingo here with an unboxing of the redtiger Dashcam F7NP. This is one of those cheap dash cams that you see on Amazon. It was on sale for Black Friday for about 130 Australian dollars, down from 199 or 179. Not sure if that's an actual sale, but yeah, I just went for it because I don't have a dash cam right now. So it's supposed to have 4K ultra clear Wi-Fi 6 and app control to transfer your files, connect to your phone, GPS tracking as well, and shows you got 4K dual channel, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, some redtiger, G sensor HDR, loop recording, and just some plain packaging there. All right, let's get into this. I've been looking into getting one of these, and when I saw the Reddit posts about this, everyone was saying like some of them it's not the Wi-Fi connection is sketchy and stuff. Just get a premium dash cam, works much better. But hey, I'm gonna go give this a try. If it works, then good. If it doesn't work, if it breaks, then lesson learned. I would say it's a good entry-level dash cam for like, I just want to try it out, see how it goes. So we got this nice packaging here. Feels like a freaking tablet or something. We got quick specs. That's the dash cam itself. This one does have the suction thing, and I'm not sure if I did the right thing because it's apparently that thing falls off from high heat, but I could just easily put in a tape for that. And we got the product itself here. Looks pretty nice, nicely put down with tabs, nicely organized. Start on the top one with the power supply cable, tool, and cable clips. Actually, start with the bottom. That one won't budge. So we got manual, electrostatic sticker, adhesive for suction cups. You got a couple of these stickers. I'm not actually sure how to use these. I think it goes in between the suction cup. Some paperwork. Got their business card right there. App QuickBook. User manual, quick start guide. Yeah, it's a typical Chinese product way of showing you stuff. Anyway, we got the main dash cam itself here. It's really light, so that's my main take. Got a cover for the lens. Might have to put it back. Yeah, this is so light that I feel like it's I don't know. The build quality is quite flimsy or something. Power button. They included a memory card. This is not gonna work well. Probably gonna get corrupted in like 5 times use, but we'll give it a go. Otherwise, I got some extra SanDisk ones. That's one of the things that the Reddit post says as well. Like, it's not good. That's a e-waste right there. So you got power button, memory card slot, up, mode, down. I believe this is a touchscreen as well. I think I got the touchscreen version. And this is for the GPS and the suction cup. So camera slides. Oh, it's quite tight. I reckon the prongs are for the GPS. That's really tight, like it wasn't satisfying in a good way. We got a knob here to adjust, and it's quite so plasticky. But anyway, it sounds like $130. All right, we got a suction cup there. I think that's all there. Next is the rear camera, which is nice that they have a 1080p rear camera. And oh wow, so it's quite a pretty long cable, because it's going to run all the way throughout your throughout your car. We got some adhesive built in. It just pops right there, the back of your car. And this one should be going here somewhere. I don't know. Maybe. Oh wait, there's a power supply here. So I'm going to connect to the main camera. So you got lots of tools. Put it all here. Let's see what we got. This is the power supply for the camera. You put it in the lighter box or something, and then there's a USB A there as well. And this is to power up the camera, USB-C, and it goes like that on top of your car. And yeah, there got redtiger all over. Where do I put the rear camera? I'm not sure. Couldn't find a plug for this to power this up. Might be hidden somewhere. It's not here. Oh, there we go. AV in. Okay, so I guess there's a speaker there as well. Nah, I don't know. I'm lost, but I think that's the whole thing. You also got a couple of like quick adhesive to run through your cable. And you got this rear camera, small rear camera. It's really light. It's not convincing for me, but we'll see. And I think that's about it. It's all in there. Might keep this just in case I have to return it if it's really faulty. Otherwise, yeah, that's all there is for the redtiger. Oh, you got this Lego thing. Something to, I don't know. Yeah, this one to scoop up stuff, maybe for the adhesive. But anyway, yeah, that's all there is. I didn't get the hardwire kit. I think you have to get that separately. The one that runs 24/7. If you are wanting to have your camera running 24/7, or activate the backing cam. But yeah, this is the redtiger F7NP dash cam. I'll give it a go. I'll probably post on a separate video, the quality wise, like day and night. But yeah, hope you got comment down below if you use this. How did it go? Did it break after 5 minutes, or is it serving you well? And like, subscribe if you want to see the video quality of the dash cam, and to watch out for like random unboxing like this. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. And oh, there's more actually. So I guess that's adhesive for that in case it doesn't work. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.